Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Dave's Math Channel. I'm your host, David Tear, and sorry I haven't made any videos on this channel in a while. I think it's been about a month, but there's been a lot going on with me the last month. For one thing, I met a woman, and I spent almost every day for 2 weeks with her. We seem to be hitting it off, and she's coming again to visit me in a few days, and so I guess I've been kind of preoccupied with my new relationship. That's part of what's going on. Also, my mind hasn't been so geared on math lately. I'm not sure why. I've been busy with a lot of I have three other YouTube channels I'm running. I've been more busy with those, but I will get back to math, I assure you. And I think another reason I got discouraged is I started running a new feature. I'm trying to do a streaming feature now. I did one stream, very short one, which nobody participated in. I think I got discouraged about that because nobody showed up for it. I really would like it if some of you guys show up for it. I'm going to try to do it again. And what I'm going to do from now on, I might as well tell you off the bat, I'm going to stay for an hour right now, from now on, whether or not any of you guys show up or not. I'm going to lecture for an hour. I could be lecturing to myself, but you can always watch the video afterwards if you want. But I would like participation because there is um, uh, chat window that you can ask questions in. I kind of wanted to make it like a classroom where you guys ask me questions and I try to answer them. Just like a classroom. I mean, I take since you guys are coming to my channel and you're watching a lot of my videos, and some of you guys might want to learn some math from me. And this is free. This is a free feature, so I'm offering free math education, and you might want to take me up on that instead of being brainwashed by good old Trump. So anyway, I hope some of you guys come to this thing because I think you might get something out of it. And maybe that's enough said, but just check it out. I'm gonna do it again. I think I'm gonna do my next one. I could do it tomorrow. I mean, I don't think I'm really busy with that much else stuff tomorrow. So I'll make another streaming video, and I don't know what's a good time for everybody. I think a lot of you are pretty close to Greenwich Mean Time, so maybe I'll do it at, I think the last one I did was 10 a.m. my time, which is 6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. I'll try that again. I'll try it tomorrow, 10 a.m. I will be here. I will be here from 10 o'clock my time to 11 o'clock my time. That's Pacific Standard Time. That's 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, and that's going to be um, uh, February 21st, 2025. So be there or be square or be hyperbolic paraboloidal or whatever other kind of math figure you want to be. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.